folks, it's me again. What I'm doing is I'm making a metal box, but you'll notice in the process my game plan was good, but the plan didn't work. So, but it's just a box. I can weld it together. I'm planning on cutting a piece of metal and then folding it and then just welding the sides up. But as you'll see, I got a little bit of a problem. So watch the video and you'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles. What am I doing? Making a box. Let's see. Alrighty, let me go get a apron so I don't set myself on fire. That burns. Fuck. Another reason not to do shit around flammable liquids. Bought trash cans on fire. Alright. Let me put the fire out. Alright. Alright. Let's stop it here. more blades. Right down to the nub. Need a hammer. Need a hammer. Need a bigger hammer. Shit. Hold on. It's coming along. A little bit more stable platform would be good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I didn't want that to happen. Oh well. I gotta put it in the bender. I'll be right back. Hello, hello. It's me again. It's not perfect, but uh-oh. I did it again. I didn't want to break that off. Well, anyway, I'm gonna have to re-weld this on here and bend this a little bit more. Anyway, I gotta weld these sides back on. Yeah, what I'm doing is making a square box like this. It was easier. I was supposed to stay on here, so I can just weld it like that. But my idea kind of broke in three. At least I got one piece left, but it's easy to weld, so it's not a big deal. Stay tuned. Yeah, my game plan was to fold all these up and just kind of zip weld the sides. But I think I got the other one. What it is this is the bottom of the sandblaster. I can still weld together. It's not a big deal. But it's at least one side stayed intact. See, I just cut a slice down and then like this. So that's all I really needed. But as usual, stuff happens, and I bent it too much, too far. Should have heated it. Whatever. I don't know. Could have just cut all these squares and did it. But oh well. You live, you learn. But at least that's something. Practice zip tacking all together. I got to get this bike out of here in about 12,000 other things out of the way before I can weld it. But at least I got this done. This piece is taken care of. So stay tuned. I'll probably do some welding this weekend, and I will weld this up, and I will probably attach it on the bottom and weld it all together, and you'll see. It'll be one big floppy occasion. Thanks for watching. Toodles.